I really like the packaging on this one, and it's cute. Welcome once again. It's another episode of Bought on Jumia, and today look what we have here. Actually, a good thing today that the item I bought just last week came in this week. Really good on the part of Jumia, and congratulations. I don't know what Jumia ate, but whatever they ate, they need to keep on doing that, and I'm excited to get into this and find out. If you're following me on Twitter, you probably have an idea of what this is, but if you don't, let's get into it and start unboxing this product bought on Jumia. So in here we have the USB cable. I think basically that is going to be used to charge it, which I'm going to charge a little bit. It fits in well, no issues there. Now this is white. I was expecting the charger to also be white. Anyway, black, white, but they've given me black and white. There's nothing extra to this. Basically, it's a wireless headphones, Bluetooth headphones. So I would simply just pair it to the phone or the laptop and listen to how it sounds. That is basically going to be how I think whether this is worth it. In terms of how long it will last and the battery life, I can't tell specifically because I would have to use this longer to be able to know that. But already this is going out as a giveaway, so whoever wins is the one going to tell us that in the near future. But I'm gonna listen to the entire album of Taylor Swift, her recent album release, The Lover, and that should help me get in tune with this headphone and actually appreciate how it sounds, whether it's good or bad. So I will be back pretty soon. I'm going in to edit some pictures, and throughout the process we'll be listening through these headphones. If it sounds great, perfect. Other than that, well, then you get to know. So I'll be back with my verdict in just about 3, 2, 1. So I'm not going to talk much about the experience listening to the entire album using this headphones, wireless Bluetooth headphones. In a nutshell, it's terrible, and this is by no means an exaggeration. It's hard to put it in words. Like I have listened to the album using good speakers, and this actually make it not sound like it's even a music. For almost $3 wireless Bluetooth wireless headphones, I wasn't expecting much, but it really was worse than I was expecting. Like so is it worth buying this wireless Bluetooth wireless? Maybe, if you're the kind who just wants to listen to something and not looking for any fidelity in terms of what you're listening to, the music quality and all that. You're not interested in that. This might be something you're interested in, but if you want to enjoy your music and you are more like an audiophile, this is not going to work for you. But again, it's up to you, and you can buy this on Jumia at the moment. I'm going to leave the link to this item in the description below so that you can check it out. Anyway, that's the Bought on Jumia episode with the Bluetooth wireless headphones for just $2.7 and somewhere 15 cedis. So thanks for joining me in this one. I hope to come your way another time with another episode of Bought on Jumia, where I review products that I get on Jumia for under $20. And so hope to catch you in the next one. When I was listening to the album, I was actually editing, and this is what I was doing. So I also retouch photos, and I'm thinking of doing some retouching videos using the GIMP software. So if you also like to see retouching videos from me, you can let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to do them as well. So we'll come your way with another episode pretty soon. And if you've not seen my 23.3 questions videos, you might want to also click on the card right here, which will take you to the playlist where I ask 23.3 questions to interesting people and get to hear their answers, and we get to learn from them and know what they also know. So make sure to also check that out. That's it from me for now. Thanks for joining and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.